round up this video. We're just going to talk a little bit about our 5-year plan, basically, and the goals
in general.
And the goals we have in place. So I'll start first. I have a very much entrepreneur mindset, and for me, it will be about mastering LAGFX as a business, growing the clientele, growing the educational content that we're providing, getting real structure in everything we're doing at the moment, and then starting other ventures. You know, obviously still dedicating time to LAGFX, but also dabbling in new things. And then on top of that, you know, we've been stuck in on and off for about 18 months due to COVID. So it's about the time that we do a bit of traveling, see the world, spend some fucking money. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. The LAG brands, obviously LAGFOREX. You want to stick to the LAG brand and make it more of a movement rather than a Forex-based thing. You wanted to revolutionise the scene and sort of say, I'm going to come in and do it right. You know, I guess that's a very bold statement, but as you said, you went through a team yourself and saw all the that they were doing wrong, and you wanted to come into it and just say, look, I'm going to try and give exactly what I needed at that time. So, and also just the customer service that's required to really kickstart your journey. You know, having somebody like a lot of the clients that come on board, you're messaging them constantly throughout the day, back and forth, and it's like the customer service is insane. It's not just working hours. You know, you'll mess them outside of working hours. Anytime they got a problem, they can call us. So it's just providing something that nobody else is.
Yeah, no, literally.
And that's the movement. Really sticking out from the crowd.
Yeah, we want to create genuine relationships with our clients. You know what I mean? Not just, you know, like from a business point of view, but like genuine relationships with our clients. You know, making sure that they can contact us whenever they want. You know, and I'm not talking like 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, but I mean, you know, they can contact us whenever they want. It doesn't matter whether it's a weekday or a weekend, and we will be there on the other end of the phone, giving you our advice and helping you in any way we can. You know, I want that to stand throughout with LAGFX, period. You know what I mean? Just because that's what lacked in my own experience when joining a team. And then down to education, you know, I was thrown into this group, deposited my funds, and then they were just pumping out signals, and I'm talking 10 signals a day, and it's like, me, like, that's just not realistic. You know what I mean? Now being a trader of experience, you know that that's not realistic. You know,
I mean, some weeks I don't even place 10 trades. So
I mean, some weeks I don't place a single trade.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You know, if I feel like it's just a bit too choppy, or if I don't see anything, then I just don't trade it. But I feel like they were doing that. They were forcing trades and sending out signals so they can make their commission, you know? So, and we aren't like that. It's like, you know, listen, if we don't see anything today, come back tomorrow. And yeah, it's a bit that you're not placing a trade, and you'll probably go and place a trade on your own accord because you're impulsive and you want to try and make a bit of money. But at the end of the day, we do it properly, do you know what I mean? Our best interest is in mind.
Yeah, I mean, just understand that everything we do for a reason. It's not it's neglection or a lack of work or a lack of responsibility. It is, there's reasoning behind everything, of course. So, and the main thing on top of that is we actually try to push education and knowledge more than making money. And unfortunately in this game, everybody comes into this or is enticed into this through the promise of vast and quick amounts of money. We're not just going to come into this and try to get as big and as rich as possible as soon as possible. We want to dedicate time to do it right, and if that means slower growth, then so be it. But we know that the community we do build is going to be so much better. They'll respect each other. Everybody will be a successful trader. So as we're talking about 5-year plans, 5 years down the line, our clients will all be fully established traders who can talk between themselves, benefit off each other. So we're really in it for the long game and not short profits. And that's something we want to rub off to the clients, is to be in it for the long game.
Yeah, like, you know, because, like, put it this way, we could show off lavish life. I could go and take pictures of my designer bags back at home, my designer shoes. I could, you know, take videos of me every time I'm out for a nice meal, whenever I'm traveling, whatever. But we don't do that because we don't want to falsely advertise this lifestyle or what we do. Do you know what I mean? Because that is just bringing clients on with the wrong expectations.
Yeah.
They're thinking they're going to jump into this Forex group and they're going to be millionaires by the end of the week. That's not the case. We want to get people on board, and this goes in the process of when we take on clients. So we don't just take any client on, we don't just take any person on, we go through a process. So it's all about asking these clients questions, asking you questions like, are you genuinely up for learning? Are you genuinely in this for the long game? Because if not, then this isn't the right thing for you. Try FBA, try buying and selling products online, try other things. This is obviously not for you. This is something that is going to take time and hard work and you know, a bit of effort. Like, yeah, you can benefit from the analysis we put out and the potential entries that we have to offer, but we see more value in people who are really wanting to learn and take their knowledge within trade into the next level, you know?
Yeah, I think the main thing is providing analysis, but explaining it and showing you what we're getting on the chat and things we would maybe look for, but we want to entice the fact of not following exactly what we do. Everybody should have their own spin on trading. So it's showing you what can happen, our thoughts, you know, professional outlook that's not too close-minded, like, okay, we're selling from this exact area, buying from this exact area, just saying, these are the things that are most likely to happen. Take this away to better your own analysis and look from your own analysis to take trades.
And just giving parameters, basically.
Because long term, you need to be able to do this independently.
Yeah.
Of course, being with a team is a fact of having that help, which we'll always provide. But we're trying to establish you for the long run, as I said, for being retired at 50 with ever-growing assets. And that's the vision you want to have. You don't want to have the vision of, by next month we'll have all the designers, we get girls left, right, and centre. No, it's 50 years down the line, you'll be providing for your whole family tree. So, of course, we want to take the LAG brand into different aspects. As you said, we have actually talked about some ideas you've had about other ventures, which are exciting, I must say the least. So, but now, you know, we're looking at a good couple of years away. But
no, definitely.
Time's nothing to us. We're in it for the long game.
I just want this business to blossom and grow up. You know, we've put enough time and effort into it. I think it's only right that.
Yeah. I mean, I think
direction.
Just to finish it off for me, I really hope that the movement we are trying our best to make is something that can actually ripple the whole industry. Because the conceptions and the misconceptions it has at the moment is really bad. I think the point being that we want to be able to kickstart, along with a few other businesses out there that are doing the right thing, be able to really make a movement in this scene. So for anybody watching this 5 years down the line and you're living in a better Forex scene, and you'll have us to thank for it.
That's it. No, literally, because there is a lot of shite out there, and I know you'll see a lot of teams, a lot of genuine teams out there saying, oh, there's so much shite out there. Don't get involved with the scammers. They're not scammers, essentially. What they are is they just provide you with false information and don't really give you the support, which in turn makes you trade impulsively and lose your money. So it's not the scammers, they just have no interest in your success.
Things that they don't know themselves.
Exactly. But as for us, it's not like that. We are so interested in your success. You know, we want you to be long-lasting clients. We want you to be a part of the team, and you know, eventually, maybe even work with us. Do you know what I mean? Like that's, you know what I mean?
Well, as I said, because we're investing in the clients longer term, it's that opportunity. If they get down the line and we say, oh my God, like you've done amazing, you're a fully fledged trader, and we can offer them the opportunity.
Exactly that. You know, so what we are wanting it to be a ripple effect, you know, and just spread genuine knowledge and genuine advice, you know.
I mean, the issue at the moment is with the online scene and online businesses is that a lot of people out there, not just in Forex, of course, anybody can do it. So you really have to have a good bull detector and be able to filter out all the bad teams. Because you don't have to be you don't have to have a qualification to create an online business. You can just do it.
You can.
So there's no longer, you know, we're past the days of, okay, we can see if he has a qualification to know if he knows what he's doing. But now, you know, people without qualifications can be more knowledgeable than the ones with, just because they have experience. But at the same time, you can have people that claim to know what they're doing, aren't qualified, and don't know absolutely anything. So
the only way you'll find that out if they're genuine is by, you know, watching their content monitoring their progress.
And just don't get involved with anybody too quickly, as you said. Just look through the stuff and see. You should be able to tell straight away.
It's like if you get a kitchen done, you're not going to go with the first person you go. You know what I mean? You're going to get quotes off a few people. So it's like, you know, have a look around before you do jump into something. Have a look around and you know, decide. Because, you know, this is why we offer free entry to our Telegram group chats and things like that, because it's like we are giving you the opportunity to see exactly what we're about and to see exactly how thorough we are and how serious we are about what we do.
If it's not for them, it's not for you. There's also the 7-day free trial in the main group chat.
Exactly.
So the purpose of that is just to give you guys a taster. No strings attached. It's not a case of, okay, now you're in for the week, you have to purchase it. No, it's completely fine. Like, have that taster. If you like what we do, get involved. If not, that's fine. But I can't guarantee you'll find another group as good. But I do want to say, though, if you have any topics you'd like us to cover, anything you're unsure about, please let us know. Leave it in the comments, and we'll be able to get round to that.
No, definitely. I mean, especially for like this kind of stuff, because it's nice to really just sit here with my feet up and just
have a chat.
Just have a chat. And you know, if there are things that you want us to speak about, put them in the comments, and we'll definitely do that. I mean,
bear in mind, it doesn't have to be Forex related.
I mean, it can be anything. It can be about what you had for tea last night. It can be about fireworks coming up, Halloween, anything.
Bonfire night, brilliant. Brilliant video, smashing. Can't wait to get those in my feed.
No, but you know what I mean? But anything, literally anything.
So anyway, we'll round this off rather than waffle even more. We appreciate everybody watching and joining us on the trading couch. We cannot wait to keep bringing you content. Please leave feedback, but this is a crucial time for us. We want to know how we're doing. If there's anything we can improve, we'll take it on board lightheartedly. So appreciate you joining.
I might cry a little bit.
It's alright, I'll wipe
the tears.
I'll wipe the tears. But thank you for watching, and we'll see you the next time we're on the trading couch.